Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today is Earth Day. So I thought, what better way to spend my day than to try to use up some old supplies that came from other kits and stuff that I held on to, because, you know, why would I waste that stuff? First, let me show you. I have these acrylic paints. They came from pre-printed canvases from Michael's, I think. And then I have these paint pots. I think they came from another pre-printed canvas, just a different kind, like a kid's kind or something. Then I have these that came from another pre-printed canvas. I seem to have a theme going here. And I also have these. This little set here. This came from an egg dyeing kit where you like pop the marker in and you squish some air through and like splatters come out. It's pretty cool actually. So I'm gonna be working with this stuff today, and I also brought up some white gesso because if I need to add white, there it is. Also, let's not forget what we're gonna be working on. I have this canvas here. It has a pop or a rip. I called it a pop because it made a pop sound when I dropped a pointy thing onto it. This was actually one of Nox's canvases and she won't let me live it down, that I popped it. So I'm going to be using that today. I also have this from a past project. This came from the dollar store, but I got it to make a wreath. I just wanted the succulent because my wreath had succulents in it and I had one left over. So I'm probably going to be putting this in the hole. Probably, I don't know. But yeah, before we get started, I'm going to protect the area because we don't need more stains than we already have. Move all this stuff out of the way. Make room for the protection. Gosh. Jeez. Okay, so I have a palette here to squeeze out some paint onto if I need to. And I'm gonna have all the supplies around me. I know that these are not very good, so I'm probably gonna be using these as base coat. These actually were pretty good from what I saw. I didn't actually use these from the kit they came from. This is something that was Nox. She's letting me use. And of course all these. So I think we have a color palette here of blue and green and red, and this random white is in here. Last of its kind, so. And what do you know? Our plant is red and green, so I think I'm going to stick with that theme of blue, red, and green. I know there's more colors here, but we'll see what we get done. Now, I believe I want to... I popped this out of here. I want to put this into the hole, or the pop as I was calling it. Have like a 3D thing. But obviously we need to cover up the woof. It was going to be a dog painting if you couldn't tell. I'm gonna cover up the woof, and I don't think there is a black here, so oh wait, there's this one, this crappy one. We'll see what we can do with it. I do like that it's gonna be black to start with, and I could just paint on top of it whatever I want. And I think since it's Earth Day, I'm gonna stick with nature. That's what I like doing anyways, so. And because I don't trust myself, I'm actually going to put some paper under here too. Cover up that hole. Just to be on the safe side. Alright, I got a paintbrush. Got my water. And I got a towel. And I use a cloth towel because paper towels are wasteful. Oh, this is where we're at. I'm not happy with like the leaf section over here with the vines and stuff. I'm gonna work with it. I decided to do a bunch of succulents because we have this that we're going to be putting into this painting, and I also found out that I had more. So I'm gonna be using all these. Don't mind all the paint everywheres. I gotta be careful because some of it is still wet. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these on here somehow. Alright, and here it is all done. I'm pretty happy with it. I don't like these leaves up here, and I need to touch up the edges a little bit and some of the black areas because the original black was actually a pearlescent black and I painted over it with a non-pearlescent one, so there's some patchiness, but I will probably fix that up at a later time. But yeah, this is what I created using some leftover supplies instead of throwing them out. And I hope I inspired you to do the same. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye!